Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a list, but we're going to use a list constructor to do this. And then once we've created the list, we're going to update it. So I've created a subroutine here called create list. So we're going to type in entry here, variable, and assign it to input, which will get some user input. So create a list, and then we got yes here. So if entry dot lower, because we're going to be using lowercase here, is equal to y, we're going to create a list. So we're going to call it my list, and then we simply assign it list. List like that. That's all we assign it. And then I'm going to do another variable called update list here, assign it to input, and we're going to ask the user to enter a name, and then we're going to insert this name. We're going to append this name into our new list that we've just created with the list constructor above. But before we do that, we're going to have to use while. So while update list is not equal to exit. So if we're not type exit in there, we're just going to keep going, and that's going to be my list dot append update list. So anything the user types in there is going to be appended to the new list called my list. I'm going to do that by update list okay, that's going to be update list it's going to be equal to input. So we're going to ask the user to add more information into there, and then what we're going to do is print exited list update, and then we're going to print out the new list. So that's going to be print my list, and it should have all the new names in it there. So all we have to do now is simply call this create list, save it. Let's just chat through that while update list is not equal to exit my list.append update list. Okay, alright, let's just run it. Okay, let's just increase the font size a little bit on here. Create list, we're going to say yes, enter a name, Dave, Joe, Pete, Sid. Okay, now I'm going to exit this, and it should print out the list. There we go. So we've got Dave, Joe, Pete, and Sid in the new list. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that's been useful to you. And remember, before you leave, if you've not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and give it a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.